Hey guys, what's up? I am back with another unboxing video, and today I have the all new Samsung Galaxy A06. And guys, this is a new budget phone from Samsung, and this is the first smartphone we have in the Samsung AX series, and this phone is costing around 38,000 PKR here in the Pakistan market. So in this price range we have 6 GB of RAM with 128 GB of internal storage, and this is a gold color. Again, in the box it is really slim because we don't get any charger inside the box, which is a really disappointing. So here's the design looks like. So in the back we have absolutely nothing. It's a Samsung official product for Pakistan. So without any wasting time, let's unbox the Galaxy A06 in the gold color. First, let me remove the plastic, and now let's open the Samsung Galaxy A06. So on the top we have our device, Samsung A06 in the gold color. So now let's start the phone from this wrapping. So here is the Samsung A06, looks like in the gold color. On the back we have a matte finish, although on the back we have these lines, although the back it is made up of plastic actually. So now let's quickly boot this phone up. We don't have any screen protector. On the front, Samsung logo it is here. So right there is our mini box. Here is our SIM injection tool, and right there is our USB type C to USB type C. We also have quick start guide. So no charger in the box, no hand free, not a silicone case, which is a really disappointing. So now let's put all these things to aside. Let's look at the Galaxy A06. So on the bottom we have our speaker, USB-C port, main microphone, headphone jack. On the left hand side we have our SIM tray. So let's see the SIM tray. So you can see it is a full SIM slot, so you can use one micro SD card and the 2 nano SIMs at the same time. No rubber gasket inside the SIM tray. So on the top we have another speaker, volume up and volume down rocker with a power on button. It is on the right hand side, in which we also have a fingerprint scanner. So on the back we have dual cameras. We have 50 megapixel main camera, then we have 2 megapixel depth sensor with LED flash. So on the back, as you can see, the camera bump it is slightly bigger but not the biggest. Overall this phone feels okay in the hand, nothing special, although we have 5000 mAh battery size with a 25 watt super fast charging support, but no charger in the box, as you know. So let's talk about the display. So on the front we have 6.7 inch 720p plus PLS LCD display with Infinity U display on the top, and the bottom chain, even the side bezels, it is, I would say, okay, nothing special. So now let's quickly set up this phone up and then we will continue. So guys, that's the first boot of the Samsung Galaxy A06. So the first impression about the display quality, I'm really liking the colors, although let's see the max brightness. So the display, I would say, looks really bright, especially for indoors. So here's the notification panel looks like. We have new Samsung One UI. So let's go to the settings and about phone and software information. Android 14 on this phone with Samsung One UI 6.1, and also this phone is powered by Helio G85 SoC with 6 GB of RAM. So UI performance looks okay. We have 60 Hz refresh rate. So the fingerprint scanner, it works absolutely fast. So here's the camera looks like. Here is the portrait mode, and here is the video mode, and the back camera maximum shoot full HD at 60 fps, and this is the cheapest smartphone, I would say, that has a full HD 60 fps, which is a really good thing by default. In the mode section, here is our pro mode and night mode also available. Even the slow motion it is also available, which is a really good thing. So let's look at the front facing camera. So this phone has a 8 megapixel selfie camera, and the selfie camera, I would say, it is really decent. Here is the portrait mode, and here is the video mode, and the front camera only shoot full HD at 30 fps, no 60 fps, and night mode it is also available with the front facing camera. So now let's talk about the battery size. Again, this one has a 5000 mAh battery size, has a 25 watt super fast charging, again no charging in the box, and combined has the Helio G85 SoC and this phone should give you at least 1 day of battery life on heavy use without any problem. And overall, I have to say, if you're looking for a Samsung phone in this price range, this is the best Samsung offer we have in the Samsung lineup. So that's about it, and thank you so much for watching this unboxing and my first impression regarding the Galaxy A06. And do let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and follow me on Instagram as well as on X, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.